Hello, welcome to the Turntable Class with GB Audio. In for service today we've got a Logic DM-101 transcription turntable. These were originally made in the early 80s in Leamington Spa, Warwickshire, England. They were made from about 1981 through 1985. It's a transcription turntable using a belt drive. There were a couple of different versions of the deck. The first one was a manual 2-speed changeover. The second version had a central support spring added, and the third version came out with an electronic speed control of the 2 speeds. This particular one seems to be a modified Series 3 because it looks like it's had the switching for the electronic control here, but it's been modified back to single speed to run with a Lin power supply. All very interesting, given that the deck was originally a very good contender against the Lin, which had dominated the top end turntable market since the 70s. Sadly, their marketing proved unsurmountable and the Logic eventually died out. Let's take a look at some of the interesting features on this deck. We can see from here there are 3-point suspension over here, a floating chassis which uses 8mm thick aluminium plate. So interestingly, doesn't require a soundboard. The tone arm mounts directly onto the chassis. This solid chassis arrangement gave an excellent support to the tone arm. The original deck came out with their own datum tone arm, which was in fact made by Syrinx in Edinburgh, Scotland. This particular version has a Syrinx tone arm on it and an Ortofon moving coil cartridge.